reasons why my wife keeps me around, other than my ruggedly handsome good looks, is because I fix shit. One of the things that needs fixing around the house is one of the iPhone cords. And this one is my wife's favorite. Notice the pink? And it has, just for over a year or so of use, it's finally given up the ghost. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repair it so that this is not a weak link. And what I'm going to do, instead of wrapping tape around it and being one of those guys, I'm going to put some heat shrink on it, specifically some 4-to-1 adhesive lined heat shrink. Now you can get this at Radio Shack. Just make sure that when you get it, that you take your cable in, because you want your diameter to match. And the other thing you can do is do a test heat shrink piece, just to make sure that it's going to shrink down the same size. This overbraid is a low temp, so it's really easy to melt and burn. What I'm going to do is use a heat gun with a dialable capability as far as heat, and then a nozzle to try to keep from melting the overbraid. So okay, flip this over, and I'm going to do a little bit of a build up here, just because I want it to be as strong as possible. Again, make sure you use the adhesive line stuff. The non-adhesive, the braid will pull away from it eventually. And you know you're good when you can see just a little bit of the adhesive poke out of the back there. Alright, so there's the first one. Let's go with the second one. And that right about there. Now when this shrinks down, it actually contracts just a little bit. So now this is a metal part, so when you're heating this, make sure not to get this too hot, or you're going to fry the wires inside of it. So it's not beautiful and pink anymore, but it should last now. It should last hopefully as long as the phone. There we go. And as you can see here, the heat shrink is fully applied, the glue is out, and it has captured the overbraid without melting any of it.